Watering is a fundamental aspect of plant care, but too much of a good thing can be detrimental. Overwatering is a common pitfall that can lead to root rot, nutrient leaching, and overall plant decline. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the factors contributing to overwatering and provide practical tips on how to prevent it, ensuring your garden thrives with the right balance of moisture. Understanding the dangers of overwatering. Before delving into prevention strategies, it's crucial to grasp the consequences of overwatering. When soil is consistently saturated, oxygen is displaced, creating an environment conducive to root diseases. Overwatered plants exhibit symptoms such as yellowing leaves, wilting, and a general lack of vigor. Recognizing these signs early is key to addressing overwatering issues promptly. Know your plants and soil. Different plants have varying water needs, and soil types play a significant role in water retention. Research the specific requirements of your plants and understand the composition of your soil. Sandy soils drain quickly, while clay soils retain water for more extended periods. Tailor your watering schedule to accommodate the unique needs of your garden. Establish a consistent watering schedule. Consistency is key to preventing overwatering. Develop a regular watering schedule based on the needs of your plants and the prevailing weather conditions. Water in the early morning or late afternoon to minimize water loss through evaporation. Avoid sporadic, excessive watering, as this disrupts the balance of moisture in the soil. Monitor soil moisture. Keep a close eye on soil moisture levels to gauge when watering is necessary. Invest in a moisture meter or use the finger test. Stick your finger into the soil up to the second knuckle, and if it feels moist, delay watering. Regularly check the soil in different areas of your garden, as moisture levels can vary based on factors such as sunlight exposure and drainage. Use proper watering techniques. How you water is as important as when you water. Apply water at the base of plants to ensure it reaches the root zone. Avoid overhead watering, which can lead to foliage diseases and water wastage. Use a slow and steady watering method to allow the soil to absorb moisture gradually. Deep, infrequent watering encourages the development of deep and robust root systems. Choose the right containers. Container plants are particularly susceptible to overwatering due to limited soil volume. Select containers with drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Use a well-draining potting mix to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. Elevate containers slightly to promote airflow and discourage waterlogging. Mulch to conserve moisture. Mulching is a simple yet effective strategy to regulate soil moisture. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as bark or compost, around your plants. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and moderates soil temperature. Be mindful not to pile mulch against plant stems, as this can lead to stem rot. Adjust watering based on seasonal changes. Recognize that the water needs of your plants vary with the seasons. During periods of intense heat, plants may require more frequent watering. Conversely, reduce watering in cooler months when evaporation rates are lower. Stay attuned to weather patterns and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Preventing overwatering is a foundational element of successful gardening. By understanding your plants, monitoring soil moisture, adopting proper watering techniques, and adjusting your approach based on seasonal changes, you can strike the right balance and create an environment where your plants thrive. Remember, it's not just about providing water, it's about providing the right amount at the right time, ensuring your garden flourishes with health and vitality.